Being a realtor is a lot of evenings and weekends. We spend a lot of time off hours that normally, most people wouldn't be working. I've been really grateful, especially lately with just how busy we've been, that I do have the flexibility and that I can kind of manage my time and flex my time for showings or contracts in the evening when, my husband's home and, or I have help. So that's kind of nice. And I think that there's careers out there that don't have that.
And I think being able to set boundaries, like being able to say okay, I can go and take my kids to school. To me, that is huge. I never had a parent to be able to take me to school and be able to pick me up. And so to me, that was that's huge, and
to be present.
Mm-hmm. And so I'm able to make them breakfast and, make them a snack when they get home. And so I think that's what I'm so thankful for,
I do have people all the time who aren't real estate agents, like our friends, and they're like, I can't believe you're still working. It's 9:00 at night. And it's like, yeah, but I got to hang out with my kid until 11 this morning and cook them breakfast in my pajamas. And,
that's our time to work is when they're asleep.
Yeah, exactly. Pretty much.